Assalamu alaikum, this is Hamza from Card School. I'm back to another video for PHP. So now in this video we are going to embed PHP inside the HTML. So in our daily life coding we use some markups to create our website. So this is the example of some HTML markups that can be seen here. So this is the less than sign and the P, and then the greater than sign for opening tag, and then the less than and the for, and then the P, and again the greater than sign for the closing tag. Absolutely. So let's just type something in, for example hello world. So when we have typed hello world there, so when we go to our browser, click on refresh, we find this well styled, full of margin and padding, and it looks too attractive. But in the same manner, when we output this same this with the help of echo or any other, it looks too old or rough or kind of mess. We can't say mess, but it's too rough. So in PHP there is a way that we can use to output our code something like that. We can say this to embedding. We are embedding the PHP inside the HTML. So let's just output something, the hello world. So no need of a standalone means semicolon, because we are doing everything in a single line. So let's just save and go to the browser, click on refresh, we find the hello world. So let's just right click there and click on the view page. So you can also get this by inspect element. Let's just click on view page, and you can see the structure of this page. You can see this, the text is hello world is wrapped inside the P and then the closing P. So this is means that we can use this way to means that embed PHP inside the HTML. And there are also other tags. If you are familiar with HTML, so you are also familiar with the HTML tags that we are using here. This is the P text, which is used to create a paragraph. So let's just remove this, and we are going to now output and heading. So let's just wrap the code inside on the heading. So let's just go back to browser, click on refresh, and we find the hello world, a large heading, and then the page source, and click on the same means the heading 1, and then the opening tag, and then the closing tag inside our text resides. So this is on you there, what tag you are means which tag that you are using. And there are also other tags, div tag, UL tag, OL tag. Another means UL for another list and OL for other list, used to create a list because it's list. So now there is another way that we can say this, that we are now embedding the HTML inside the PHP. So now let's just close and the semicolon. So let's just type the means first of all open the P tag, a paragraph tag, and then close the P closing tag. So let's just type a to called weather, and then save and go back to a browser. We find the same result as the previous. There's the to called weather, and there refresh, and we can see the text is wrapped inside the P tags, closing and opening. So you can also do this, that if you have a PHP function, you just have to escape your PHP text that we will do later. So how we can achieve this things, that we have to escape the PHP text and do whatever you have to do, means while which tag that you have to use, means this can be h1 tag or P tag or a span or something like that. You can define a class on your tags and then style them with the help of CSS style sheet or cascading style sheet, which can be linked with HTML to style our markups or HTML page. So that's it, and this is on you. I already told you that how you are using, which convention you are using. Maybe you can embed PHP inside the HTML or HTML inside the PHP. So Allah Hafiz, fi amanillah.